Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing. We are opening up two different panty subscriptions, actually 2 months of two different panty subscriptions. Panty Party over here, we have Splendies and Heaven Panty. So they will both be linked down below if you are interested in subscribing. But yeah, let's get these open. So like I said, we have 2 from Heaven Panty and 2 from Splendies. I did peek at one at some point. So how about we start off with Heaven Panty? We just start off with how cute the freaking bag is. So Heaven Panty starts at $9.99, and it says on their website you get your first month free. And by the way, I do get both of these sent to me free for review, and it's not sponsored and they're not affiliate links down below. So anything down below is just to help you navigate and find their websites. But anyways, Heaven Panty, yeah, starts at $9.99 if you want to get 1 panty a month, and then $16.99 if you get 2 panties. You can also choose to get it every other month. And also you have a panty stylist who helps you pick out your panties, and you fill out a profile when you first sign up, so you let them know your sizing, and you can also let them know what your size is at specific brands, which is really convenient. And they also send you some measuring tape the first month to help make sure they fit right. You let them know the cut you like, the style, the colors, the patterns. So it's a little bit more styled to your preferences compared to Splendies, and it's a little bit more on the sexy side, but again, it's to your preference. It comes in these bags too that you can get a little peek. So in this one we have 1. Sometimes they send me 1, sometimes 2. I think we get 1 in each of these. So this is a thong. I get a large in both brands, but denim blue, comfy and lacy. That's exactly what I like. I'm all about comfiness, but if I can get comfy and sexy, like hell yeah. So this is what it looks like. Pretty. See what I mean? It's like, oh, I really like this one in the back. It's like, okay, let's take it off. So they have a really great loyalty program too. You can see here you get some credit in their store if you like them and leave them a review on Facebook, if you share a photo on Facebook or Instagram, and if you review them on their website. And you get some money, and your friends do too, so they have a referral program as well. So this is what the panty looks like in the back. So there's like a little keyhole type thing here, this little rhinestone. But I really like the color of this and the like lace. So it's like nylon, I believe. So the retail value would be $15, but you get it for $9.99. And then again, you could get some off your next month if you do the reviews, which just takes like 1 minute of your time. So I really like that. You don't really see that anymore with subscriptions, good loyalty programs or referral programs. Cute. Let's see what the other one is. We'll just put this up here. Do you guys subscribe to any panty subscriptions or any of these? Let me know your experience. I love getting comments, and you guys let us know like how the sizing is for you and how your experience has been. It's really helpful. Ooh, this one looks like it'll be green. This is a hipster bikini, dark green, again large and comfy and lacy. Ooh, I love green. You guys, this is like the color of my couch. I like dress like the colors for the days of the week with like the planets and all that, but also green's all about abundance and the heart chakra. And now I can be like, I set my intention with my panties every day. You guys know I'm weird, but yeah, for real. Intention is everything, and I love this. So this is what it looks like in the front. I love this pair. Oh my gosh. And then the back, it's like, yeah, this is sheer. So, you know, it is comfy and sexy. It's super cute. Sorry, I just knocked that. Look at that emerald and like, those colors are so pretty. Let me know what you think. But now we're going to move on to Splendies. And in Splendies, we get 3 pairs each. And Splendies is $15. And they have, gosh, I can't remember the size for Heaven Panty, but I think they're similar. But for Splendies, if you're in the XL range, or like if you're 1X to 4X, it goes up to, it's like $2 more per month. But you get 3 pairs every month. And you get to customize it based on what cut you like. So I said I want a surprise variety so I can get both thongs and full back. But if you want just thongs, or if you want just like briefs or full back panties, however you call it, then you can customize that, and then you let them know your size. Most people suggest sizing up 1. And usually for your first month, you can get 50% off. There's a pop-up on their screen, but there's also this code you can use, June50, that's been working for like 2 years now. I haven't checked it recently though. but that usually works. But they have a code no matter what. Usually for your first month, you get something off. And both of these subscriptions also have a store if you just want to get panties and not subscribe. Oh my god, how cute is the tissue this month? So fun. And Splendies is more like comfy every day. Like, I know not everyone wants to wear lace, so, but again, leave your experience. Because I know I said I like comfy lacy. Oh my gosh. Oops, I have some tarot cards that are falling out. Oh, my cat's really excited. Hi, Emmy. Oh my god, these look super cute. So, let's smooth these back a little bit. So, yep, surprise variety. It looks like typically with the surprise variety, you get one thong and two brief panties or whatever you want to call them. Regular panties. This is the thong. I think this is so cute. Oh my gosh. This might be like my favorite right now. This is the back. So, cotton. I think they all have cotton gussets. They all have gussets at least. Yeah. Just as someone's asked me that before, and that's true. That is so cute. And then this is pretty similar, like of a different colors, and it's a full back. Oh my gosh. Very cute. And then the last one is cherries. I don't think I have any with cherries. I have quite the panty collection, by the way, and I love it. This is so cute. Super comfy. I can tell. These are all cotton. Yay. Awesome. Now let's look at this one, see if there's any differences. Sometimes I get repeats because they were sending me 2 a month, but I don't know if they still do because I've lost track of packages. It does have the same tissue paper, so we might have some repeats, but sometimes we don't, so I like that they send me 2 a month because then I get to show you guys other variations. And you guys, you know I love to ask, are we panty friends this month? I know some of you guys get Splendies, and I think it's so fun. Okay, yeah, we have, yeah, these ones are the same. Sometimes they're different, so maybe we all are panty twins this month. But I love them. They're so cute. Don't you love how they're wrapped in that cute tissue? So, yeah, panty party over here. I like every single pair. So I think it all depends on your preference. If you like more cotton or more like sexy nylon type, or maybe you just want to switch it up. You know, and get, like, maybe you have all cotton at home and you want to get more of, like, a sexy variety, you know, just to spice it up on date night or whatever the hell, whatever, or vice versa. You want to get more, like, everyday type, because they're still super cute and sexy at the same time, you know. I love all of them, and I don't even mind. I love this. Look how cute all these look together. Yay! I'm super happy with all of them. Let me know what your favorite is. And let me know how you're doing. I love you guys so much. I hope you're well. I hope you had a great weekend. And yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Bye.